Hola, buenos días, bienvenido a mi canal Ana la Viajera. Dobar den, dobrodošli to my channel Ana la Viajera. So today I'm going to do some walking tour around the Knez Mihailova street, which is a famous street here in Belgrade. So coming from this cathedral church, we're going to Knez Mihailova. Let me show you. And so this is like a school here. This way is the Kalamegdan fortress. On that way, I don't know, but so we're going to this direction. I could see that this is like a busy street here. And this building, look, almost in every building they have the flag of Serbia. So we are walking towards this famous Balkan restaurant. It's called Manufactura. But, well, look at that, they have beautiful roses. And, oh, they have some like umbrellas, red umbrellas. Now here we go. There are some banks along this side. On the other side there's a Raiffeisen Bank. Look at that. This coffee shop is always full of people. Even during the lockdown, like a lot of people are like falling in line here to get coffee. Okay, well, it's nice weather now. It's like 3 p.m. and everyone is out in the sun here. They're eating, drinking, talking to their friends. This is another bar, very bar. Oh, on this way is the shopping center, Viajera center. And on this way, this is the way to my gym. So we're going on this direction. This is where I like to do some shopping. A lot of shops here. And you can see the Terra Nova and H&M and Zara. You can all find here. And yeah, they have lots of apotheca pharmacy here. Look at that, a lot of people. This is Sunday afternoon here. Everyone's out and you can see all the girls are so chic and so fashionable here. And okay, so this is the street here. Cafe Zapanetti. This is where we had our shisha last time. I know it's on the next street. Yes, on the next street we had a shisha last time. I can see lots of bookstores. I really hope that they won't grab my phone here because it's just out. But most of the people here, they are nice, and yeah, they won't grab their phone. I could say it's really safe here. I'll see what sometimes I go here to buy some clothes. And this is the Scepter Museum. Here you could find some artifacts, paintings. Yeah, I remember this is the place where we had sushi last time. Okay, now we're going straight. Oh, in this screen they will show the temperature for the day. Look at that, 28 degrees Celsius. It's so hot right now, and I'm not wearing any bra right now because, oh my god, you don't know how sweaty I am right now. And I'm just wearing shorts and tube and I'm going to this Sava church. I don't know if I can enter in the church because of my outfit for today. So we're going to Republic Square now. Okay, this is like the crossing, and on this side they have a like a park. On this side the Hotel Palace, and from here you could find lots of pigeons flying around, so you have to be careful. And you could also find here some entertainers, lots of street entertainers on this part of the street. Oh, yeah, and I think they have something going on in here. And this fountain, okay, let's see what's going on, but I don't understand. It's in Serbian language. And in this fountain, I know you can get some water and drink safe water. Okay, let's go here. On this side, I know they have this souvenir shop where I'm planning to buy before I leave Serbia. So, and yeah, this souvenir shop. And here you could find popcorns everywhere. Popcorn stall everywhere. Instead of hot dog, I could see they love popcorn. Oh, here you could find some airlines. And Terra Nova, this is where I like to go and shop because I could find easily my size. You see some street entertainers over there. So we're now near the Republic Square. That is like the famous meeting square here. Okay. Now you can see there's a lot of people here. On this side too. Okay, now we have another souvenir stall. I guess this one here would have a better deal. Okay, so you can see there's Belgrade Art Hostel. Oh no, it's a hotel. Oh, there you go, the body shop. I need to buy something there later on. Word Menjanica. This is everywhere, Menjanica. Like their exchange office. You could see lots of people on the street walking over. Oh, I'm going now towards the famous H&M and Zara. Like I also like to shop there. I've been there like several times already, buying lots of stuff. Oh, they have another shopping center, Millennium here, and oh, another street entertainer for kids. Yeah, it's Sunday here, so I could say that's why there's a lot of people now today. Yeah, mamai. Okay. Here we go to H&M and Zara on the other side. Turkish Airlines. Nice day to take a stroll. Okay, there's a fountain. There's this famous coffee shop. Coffee to go. Okay, we're going now to the most popular meeting place here in Belgrade, which is the Republic Square. And I hope my phone won't drop because I'm kind of tired already holding the phone. But yes, we're going to Republic Square. Oh shit, the pigeons are everywhere. So this is now the famous like Republic Square here. And they have the National Museum. And this is like the horse is still in construction until now. And the National Theater over there. And they have some parks here. And you can see the transportation over there, their buses. And where else? Yeah, this is a nice meeting place. very big, and but it's just a little empty. So we're going now towards hotel center. So this is where I'm gonna cross to go to the Sava Cathedral. Oh, someone told me that this gyros here is really good. So, and over here I had like my biggest hamburger experience. Okay, so this is the crossing now, and it really takes some time before we could cross over. It's like 30 seconds now. I think I have to turn off the phone. I don't know, I just turned it off for a while. Okay guys, video, hope you like it and you enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Viajera, for more videos related to languages, culture, travels, and many more. So that's it guys. See you on my next video. Hasta luego. Ciao.